In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see your Google account's password if you forget it. Let's get started. Navigate to your app library and search for Passwords app. This is an inbuilt app that securely stores all your saved login details for different accounts. You'll be prompted to use your Face ID. Once you complete that, you will be directed to this page. Now head over to this section All. Here you're going to find different websites along with your password. Scroll down and search for Google. Once you find it, launch it. Now here you're going to find the Google credentials, username and the password. Click on the password option. Once again, your Face ID will be enabled. After you complete that process, your Google account's password will be visible. If needed, you can also use the copy option to copy the password and paste it wherever you want. And that's it. This is the easiest way to view your saved Google account password if you ever forget it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.